Pinaspasay na rin. 8 years old male advanced committee proceed to the staging area minus 130 centimeters. Gayon de la Pedra, BCSKC, Aka, Niño Chan Vidorio, Loyal Cebu Credit Club, Au, Japo Roque Gamato, Kuntao Mandawi Aka, Alexander John Abaa, Warriors Credit Team, Au, Prince Jamie Verano, Au, and AOK. Proceed to the staging area now.
Ten to 11 years old girls committee advanced plus 140 centimeters. Standby Tatame B. Lay Chanel Aldamon, Aka of Kintao versus Au, Shania Kanibang of BCSKC again. Aka Aldamon versus Kanibang Au, Tatame B. 12 to 13 years old girls advanced committee minus 150 centimeters. Tatame B. Aka Lara Sophia Hulao, USJR Au, Amber Clubs Kuya, Warriors and Au. Jidwin Medalo. And Jidwin Medalo Au, standby Tatame B. Satoshi Bara. Again, kadang ipatawag ang names. Standby Tatame B. Medics please. Tatame B, medics. After this bout will be the championship bout of 16 to 17 years old girls intermediate committee minus 48 kilograms of Christy Alivio Aka versus Shane Pilayo Au. And standby Nunez Aka versus Gaston Au. Tatame B, standby 14 to 17 years old girls advanced committee minus 47 kilograms. Aka, Macy David Verano of CITU and Au Niña Lidigorio of Northern Cebu Karate Club. Au, Johanna Abigail Beloy of Kuntao Mandawi. Aka, Kiara Ember Rumagos of BCMAC and Au, Jisha Saira Azul, CITU. Again, 14 to 15 years old girls in advanced committee minus 47 kilograms. Tatame B. Winner, Kabihi. Kabihi, Hillary Zane is gold and Mary Claire Andales silver.
Ingon ang bata na mo.
First bronze is Bobilis and second bronze, Mantos. Proceed to mass 16 to 17.